Although there be no question before the Senate, but no controversial matter may be brought forward, nor may debate arise upon the explanation. The terms of the proposed statement shall be submitted in detail to the President of the Senate when his leave to make it is sought. Your Excellency, I wish to come under this personal explanation to formally inform the Senate of a major achievement, by Nigeria Customs Services at the international arena. And it has to do with the appointment of Nigeria as the chairperson of the World Customs Organization Council.
The chairman of the Senate Committee on Customs approached me this morning to make personal explanation respect to the recognition given to Nigeria through the Controller General of Customs. It's something that has not happened for quite a while, for a long time. And he requested that you come through personal explanation to state that so that Nigerians will know the honor that has been bestowed on the CG and indeed the entire country, so that even though there will not be debate, is it a view that, well, I don't need to put the question. You can go ahead.
Okay, thank you, Mr. President. The historic Customs Organization Council for the 2025-26 financial year is an unprecedented accomplishment by Comptroller General Bashir Adeniyi. It represents the culmination of extensive reforms within the Nigeria Customs Service that have gained international recognition. These transformative initiatives, spanning customs modernization, digital integration, trade facilitation, and revenue optimization, enhanced our national customs operations, as well as earned commendation from global leaders, including Dr. Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala, Director General of the World Trade Organization, who specifically acknowledged Nigeria's revolutionary strides in customs administration during the recent WCO Council session. The significance of this appointment cannot be overstated, as the chairperson of the WCO Council assumes critical responsibilities, including conducting policy commission and council sessions, providing strategic guidance and advice to the Secretary General, and offering leadership and representation to the 106 member countries of the organization. This position places Nigeria at the epicenter of global trade facilitation policies, customs standards development, and international border security protocols that govern trillions of dollars in global commerce annually. The role empowers Nigeria to influence decisions that directly impact international trade flows, revenue collection methodologies, and security frameworks that affect nations worldwide. As a symbol of this historic achievement, Nigeria's flag now flies proudly at the World Customs Organization headquarters in Brussels, representing our nation's leadership of the global customs community and demonstrating Nigeria's emergence as a respected voice in international economic governance. This recognition elevates our country's diplomatic profile and positions Nigeria as a key player in shaping the future of international trade facilitation, customs modernization, and cross-border commerce regulation. This remarkable achievement aligns perfectly with President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's leadership thrust in economic diversification, regional integration, and positioning Nigeria as a continental leader in African economic affairs. The WCO chairpersonship provides an exceptional platform to advance the President's agenda of enhancing Nigeria's competitiveness in international trade, attracting foreign direct investment, and showing our capacity for leadership in multilateral institutions. It reinforces the administration's commitment to good governance, institutional excellence, and Nigeria's role as a driving force in continental and global economic development. This achievement represents both individual recognition and Nigeria's institutional capacity, as well as our commitment to international best practices and our readiness to contribute meaningfully to global economic governance. It is worthy to celebrate this historic milestone and support continued investments in our customs infrastructure and human capacity development that will enable Nigeria to maximize the benefits of this prestigious leadership position for our nation's economic transformation and continental integration objectives. Thank you very much, Mr. President and distinguished colleagues. That's my submission.
Well, this is achievement for our country and also achievement for this administration because it shows the respect that the world community has in respect of our current government, that the government is doing well. That's why I've decided to even look at Nigeria to pick the headship of this esteemed organization to come from Nigeria. So it clearly shows that Mr. President is doing very well to position Nigeria in the best manner possible at the international arena. It's a very good testimony. If you are not respected, if the country is not respected economically and in every aspect, this honor will not be bestowed on the Comptroller General of Nigeria. And of course, it also shows that Comptroller General is a respected person in the international arena, that the international community is watching what our custom here is doing through the leadership of the current CG, and that the CG is doing very well. If it's not doing very well, the entire world will not give their note, give his note for the Comptroller General to head this very, very important organization, WCO. So it shows that the custom CG is doing very well, and we know he's doing very well. So he should continue what he's doing to position the Nigerian custom in order to have that body doing its best towards the economic enhancement of our nation. So please extend our regards, the same regard to the CG, and we urge him to continue what he's doing to position the customs, so that it will impact more positively towards the advancement of our economy. Additional information.
I wanted to give you that World Custom Corporation comprised of over